Hi kids. Kids, today we are going to draw a flower vase with some flowers. We will make the flowers with ochra or ladyfinger. Ochra means ladyfinger. So kids, take out your splash book, page number 14. Today we will do this activity of flower vase. Let's see what do we need for this. Few ochras cut into half, some poster colors, a drawing sheet, a ribbon, a leaf, glue and some crayons. At first we will draw a flower vase. See what I am doing? In this way you have to draw a flower vase. See, our vase is ready. Now take a ochra and cut into half like this. But kids, don't cut it yourself. Ask your mom, she will cut it. Now clean it with a cloth or a paper to remove its stickiness. See? Now I will put the color on the edge of this ochra like this. Now print this on the paper. See? Look, isn't it beautiful? Now I will take some orange color and again I will print this. Now repeat the process to print with different colors. Now I will take a leaf and paint the back side of the leaf. Look, not this side. This side I will paint. Now look what I am doing. I will print this on the paper. Look. Now see, one leaf is ready. Now I will make another leaf. Now I will make one more leaf here. See, you can make more leaves like this. So our leaves are ready. Now I am going to color this vase with a sky blue crayon. See, our vase is ready. Now take a green sketch pen and make some twigs like this. And now take a ribbon and tie a bow and paste it on the vase. See, I have taken red ribbon. See, here is my bow and I will paste it on the vase. Take some glue on it and paste it here. See, our painting is ready. You can draw so many beautiful paintings using this method. So kids, in this way you have to do this activity work. Kids, now it's your time. Make this beautiful painting and show me. You can use your own idea. You can color the vase and the flowers as you wish. I hope You like my painting? And next day I will come with some new things. Bye kids.